In this video, I'll show you how you can change the default download location on Windows 10. Now first what you want to do is press on the Windows button down here, and then you want to search for storage. There should be something called system settings in the storage settings. So let's open up this and you'll be able to see your disk and all the installed things. But if you scroll down a little more, you'll see a button that says change where new content is saved. You're going to click on it, and from in here you now have the option to change it. As you can see, I have 2 disks, so if you press, you can change it and press apply. And you can just do that for everything. You can see the apps, documents, music, photos, films and TV programs, everything in here. So basically that's how you do it. It's super simple and super easy, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.